We get a lot of supply chain synergy, we get operational synergy, a lot of those basic things that are there that are fundamental to any type of acquisition. However, when you think about the overall grander size of the business and the scale of it, the combination of intellectual property, the applications know-how, even the infrastructure and the footprint of the business is synergized extremely well. And I think as we look forward to the opportunities for the industry and the market, it's the application or the integration of that applications competency mixed with just that history and that rich love for the technology and the product that really is going to resonate with our customers and the market. When you look at a business and you're bringing a new organization, the focus is how can you better serve your customer base? How can you end up deploying an improved value chain to that customer? So for us, we're looking to integrate the products that come in from TerraSource, which really represents a whole suite of portfolio products. That includes the Elgin product line, the Tabor product line, the Gunlock, Pennsylvania Crusher, Jeffrey Rader. It's a series of products that come together. What we're looking to do is expand the value chain up and down the process flow within the actual mine site. So wherever we were as Astec before, our goal is to go up and down from that so we can provide more value to our customers with every interaction that we make. Johannesburg is a wonderful operation, great team, long legacy. The focus for us is really to go ahead and develop infrastructure locally, and it's not just about the ability to manufacture product here, but the ability to be able to source locally, to manufacture locally, to provide the applications know-how in the entire life cycle management of that technology. So when our customers in this particular region buy product from Astec, they know that the people that need to rely on, the people to service, to look at troubleshooting, and the entire life cycle of the aftermarket, they have that support right here. And more importantly, the team here knows the challenges, the demands of this market better than anybody else. And so for us, anytime we look to go ahead and make a strategic focus in a particular geographic market, we want to have an established base of operations and people that really understand that localized market designed for that particular area. There's lots of adjustments that we make to various parts of our Astec portfolio that we will adjust specifically to the market here based on those lessons learned, what we find about the nature of what we get back from feedback. But in many cases we do, and because it's a larger organization, we also get to learn from all the lessons learned from across the rest of the world. So the things that we might discover in India or the United States or in Australia or in Argentina, we can take that and bring that to the market in the local area. And the team here being able to take advantage of that and really deploy that while mixing it with what they learn about the local market really provides our customer base unprecedented value. A lot of things have gotten fancy, we've gotten overcomplicated with technology, but technology that performs, that's reliable, is fundamental, is what everybody's looking for. However, what we are finding is there's a significant advancement specifically when it comes to cloud-based customer asset management and predictive analytics. The ability to actually take equipment that some people may euphemistically called dumb iron, but provide intelligence. Let people know, the operators, the end user, what's happening, how is it trending, what are the vibrations telling you, the temperatures, things that give operators the ability to think in advance of the things that they need. And I think that as we see the fundamentals of just material science, reliability and durability, combined with that asset management and the ability for the predictive analytics, as those things come together, I think those really are setting the stage for where we're seeing the general industry go. This industry in particular is a tough one. Obviously it's a commodity. Commodities go up and down, significantly influenced by a number of geopolitical factors, a lot of things happening within the tariff regime that we're seeing from the entire world, and the tariff wars going on, and it's disappointing. This market is hard enough as it is without the geopolitical factors. But what I would say is that those notes that I made before about making sure to focus on technologies that give you value, looking for dependability, reliability, don't waste money and time on things that take a lot of effort for you to be able to engage and support that technology, and look for good partners, people that are there not only from the day that you buy that equipment, from the entire life cycle to the point that you've got to replace it 20 years down the road. Yeah. And hopefully that's something that we as Astec bring.